Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a requested what's in my bag video. And this one is a real actual what's in my bag. I packed it yesterday and then I used a few things in there today. I got a new little pouch that I want to show you guys, so I'm going to do that as well. But I think that we should just get started. Luna's back here hanging around, so if you hear her, hi. That's what that is. So let's just get into the bag. Here it is. This is my Ophidia GG small shoulder bag that I love so much. Love the look of it. All right, so this is what my bag looks like right now. Kind of messy, kind of clean, a little bit of both, so that works out. The first thing I have is my Lawless lipstick. I really love these lipsticks because they are clean, clean ingredients, and also the packaging is really nice. It's got the magnetic closure, which I really love and appreciate, especially in my expensive bags. And then, excuse me, this is the color that I have. It's what I'm wearing right now, which is why it's just thrown in my bag. It's the color Suede. So I have that. It can also go into my cosmetics pouch. I have a video on this, so if you guys want to see my video, you guys can go ahead and watch that. I don't have too many videos, so I don't have to really link anything. If you guys want to watch it, you can just go to, like, I think it was actually it was my last video, so you guys can go check it out. This is what I really have in there. So that video shows you examples of how you can use this bag. I think I gave you 2 different ways of how to use it, as a cosmetics bag or just like a tech bag. I continue to use it as my cosmetics bag, so that's what I have in there. Plenty of lipsticks. Way too many lipsticks. This is one of my favorite fragrances. The Kilian, I don't need a prince by my side to be a princess. I usually just call it princess. But it's one of my favorites. It's a little bit spicy, which I like. That's why I like it. There's Luna. Okay. Let me see. I guess I can go through here and show you because these are my favorite products anyway, and maybe you guys would be interested. So again, one of my favorite fragrances, Kilian Princess. And then I have the Sexy Mama blotting powder. I don't know how I feel about this, honestly, because every time I've touched up with it, it makes me look a little bit... Luna, quiet down, please. It makes me look a little bit... like dry, so I might be taking this one out and replacing it with, I honestly am not sure. So if you guys have any blotting powder recommendations, I would really appreciate that in the comments. So yeah, again, probably gonna take that one out, but that's about it. All these other things I love. I have my favorite lip balm, which is the Glow Recipe Lip Pop. Talked about this in my last video. I did try the blueberry, which I have somewhere else I'll show you, and I love that one as well. My Garden Dolce & Gabbana hand cream. Always have to have hand cream. This is a Sephora Collection travel brush that came with a set of like 3 brushes, I believe. This one was just my favorite, and I like how small it is. I like that I can touch up that way. I have one of my favorite lipsticks that I always have on me. It's Charlotte Tilbury Very Victoria. This is one of my favorites. I can't remember if I got this as gratis or... I worked for Sephora. Yeah, it was gratis. Or no, personal. There's a P on it, so that means... it was mine, but I had to get it scribed. Anyway, Very Victoria is my favorite, like, everyday color. Pillow Talk is nice, but it's a little bit too light for me. So I like the Pillow Talk medium. 2. That's another fave. Another favorite that I always like to keep on me because it's a very nude shade. And if I ever want to change the color of my lipstick, I can use this one to really change it up and give me like a little bit more of a pout. So this one is Vive Treasure. I love, again, the packaging is beautiful. Pebbled leather, and then you have a V on top.